HARBROs, welcome back to the HARBRO channel. Quality videos, lowest prices, and today we're going to continue our dive into the parking lot sales starting January 12th, so it's not too far, basically a week away. We've done Icon, hammers, pry bars, hex sets, we've done Maddox. Now we're jumping into all welders, 30% off. And just how was everyone's weekend? 4 days only, Happy New Year's deal. Anybody use the 15% off? Anyone take advantage yet of all the icon alerts in the ITC, specifically G1 ratchet, some up to 30% off? Let me know how your first week of 2026 is going. But again, welders, 30% off. All welders, 30% off. In store only, showing Vulcan and titanium. And we'll start right here at welders. There's a buying guide. Start off with flux welders. Difference between good and better, Chicago Electric and titanium. They're 125 flux welders. Multiprocess welders, titanium's 200 unlimited welder. Multiprocess versus the Vulcan, considered best industrial performance. OmniPro 220 industrial multiprocess. And then the MIG welders, Chicago Electric at good, titanium better, MIG 170. And then the best is Vulcan MIG Max 215 industrial welder. Stick welders, same. Chicago Electric has a 225 amp. Titanium, same. Stick 225 inverter welder with electrode holder. And then the Vulcan Outlaw 195 engine driven stick welder with CO secure technology. We do have some TIG welders, better performance with the titanium TIG 200. And then the Vulcan has a Pro TIG 205 welder, 120, 240 volt input for both. And those are all the welders, but just up here, they do have plasma cutters, and the HARBROs know, correct me if I'm wrong, plasma cutters were included in the last welder sale, but they are included under the welders page, spot welders as well, and plastic welders. And that's the next place we'll jump into, because down here, all welders are listed, and I just have them sorted from high to low. But they do include a plasma cutter. Here, the titanium plasma cutter for $1,000. But we'll go through these relatively quickly. If you're going for the Outlaw, 6,000 watt dual voltage engine driven inverter DC arc welder, you will get 30% off. Get that down to $1,200. Engine driven stick welder, 195 amps for smooth, high quality welds. But this is next level welding. Still save over $500. And next we'll look at the Vulcan Pro TIG 205 industrial welder, 120 240 volt output. Industrial welder combines intuitive setup with advanced control for professional results at $1,200. At 30% off, get it down to $840. So saving $360, which is not a little bit. Good discount. And then the OmniPro, again, the Vulcan being the industrial level welders. Here's the Vulcan 220 industrial multi-process welder with 120 240 involt 120 240 volt input. And this is the true multi-process welder with full color LCD display for professional results in MIG, TIG, and stick. $1,000, $1,100. And that at 30% off, getting it down to $770. And then, not a welder, but a plasma cutter. First titanium, $1,000. 65 amp plasma cutter from titanium, weighs 36 pounds, making it ideal for shop or field use. Cuts metal as thick as 1 3/16 of an inch. 1 3/16 of an inch. That's, at least in my mind, a pretty thick piece of metal. 1 3/16 of an inch. $1,000. And we don't need to do the math, but we will. 30% off is going to save us. Well, let's just say we know what it is. It's going to be $700. Save 30%, save $300. Get it down to $700. So if you need a plasma cutter, can't go wrong with titanium. Still a little pricey though at $700. We continue. Here's the MIG Max 215 industrial welder, 120 240 volt input. Professional MIG flux core welder that works with or without shielding gas and has full synergic settings. 900 bucks and $900 at 30% off. We're going to get you down to 630 bucks. 630, $270 savings. We continue the TIG 200 professional AC/DC TIG welder with 12240 volt output. Inverter technology delivers superior arc start and performance on both steel and aluminum. Shows on clearance, which there was new titanium shown at SEMA. This might have been one of the items, but it's clearance priced at $850, and at 30% off, you can get down to $595. Over $250 worth of savings. Then the titanium unlimited 200 professional multi-process welder, 12240 volt input, 800 bucks. Professional multi-process welder handles MIG, TIG, and stick welding at 800 bucks. And at 30% off, getting it down to $560, so $240 worth of savings. Then, of course, another plasma cutter. This is the 45 amp compared to the 65 amp. This 45 amp titanium weighs just 21 pounds and has a dual voltage, 12240 volt power supply for versatile use. Does this say how thick of a piece of metal it cuts through? Well, this one doesn't say. So at $800, 30% off, get it down to $560, also $240 worth of savings. Should have known that. Same price as the Unlimited 200. We continue the Titanium Unlimited 140 process, multi-process, professional multi-process welder with 120 volt input. 30% off, get that down to $420. The MIG 170 welder with 12240 volt input. $550 normally, get that down to $385. And then the MIG 140 professional welder, 120 volt input at $500. Get that down to $350, $150 worth of savings. And we have our first Chicago Electric in the building. This is the plasma cutter at $300. Lightweight, yet powerful enough for most cutting jobs is what it says. $300. And at 30% off, getting it down to $210. So maybe an option, more realistic option for everybody. Let me know if anybody has the Chicago Electric or the Titanium or the Vulcan in those cases. We continue. Titanium 225 stick inverter welder with electrode holder. This is at $300, so 30% off will also be down to $210. Chicago Electric 170 amp DC flux MIG cord welder is clearanced out at $180. 30% off gets it down to $126. Spot welder, which is interesting, at $160. Get that down to $112. The Titanium Easy Flux 125 amp welder at $150. Get that down to $105. Great deal. Say $45. Almost sub $100. And Chicago Electric 80 amp inverter arc welder, same thing. Get it down to $105. Chicago Electric 240 volt spot welder. Not sure why this one's cheaper than the other one. I'm sure the HARBROs would let me know, but 240 volt spot welder at $150. Also get it down to $105. Chicago Electric 125 flux welder, $120. 30% off. Get it for $84, which is nuts. Cordless hot stapler kit from Maddox shows up under welders. But if that's included under the Maddox 35% off, save an extra 5%. So don't make that mistake. And then we have Chicago Electric welding, plastic welding kit with air mortar at $90. 30% off, get it down to $63. Same for the stud welder dent repair kit from Chicago Electric, $63. Hot stapler kit from Pittsburgh, making a random showing here, $30. And at 30% off, get it down to $21. So that could be a steal of a deal there. And it's a brand new item from Pittsburgh. Repair a variety of plastic parts on automobiles, household items using this 50-watt hot stapler. It's ideal for fine, straight, large curved, inner angular, and external angular cracks. How interesting. Brand new Pittsburgh plastic hot stapler kit, $21. Then there is the Chicago Electric 80-watt iron plastic welding kit as well at $20. Get that down to $14. And then last but not least, a welding manual From Haynes, which wasn't expecting. Basics of gas, arc, and MIG, TIG, and plasma welding and cutting. Which of the Harbros have read this? Learn everything from basics to advanced techniques with this handy welding manual. Get that down to 14 bucks as well. And those are all the welding options. Any Harbros have these welders? Any of the Harbros interested in getting some welders? Let me know. 30% off is pretty solid. Again, sales starting January 12th for ITC and then the 16th for everybody else. But I'll leave it at that. New purple storage from US General. It's out. Pretty purple. I'm digging it. But I'll leave it at that. Let me know how the new year's treating you, anything you picked up. And either way, happy Harbor Freighting, happy shopping. Good luck out there. Please consider liking and or subscribing. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.